This is the lesson of part 2 area. වර්ගඵලය පිළිබඳ ඉගෙනීමට සූදානම් වන්නේ. When we get two different size papers, you can see those two are in different sizes. Pink paper has a larger area than this white paper. රෝස පාට කොලේ වර්ගඵලය වැඩි, සුදු පාට කොලේ වර්ගඵලයට වඩා. Likewise, you can compare two areas by getting two papers. Then here we are learning about the area. Tell me, students, can you remember the definition of the area? Yes, the amount of surface enclosed within a given boundary is the area of the bounded region. When we get square and a rectangle, we learn how to get the area of those shapes. Square laminas with different units. Yes, can you remember the units we are used to measure length? දිගමනින ඒකක මොනවද? Centimeter, meter, millimeter. Yes, normally in here we are using centimeters and meters. What is the unit of measuring area? That means a length have to be multiplied by another length. Then centimeter into centimeter, centimeter squared. Then meter into meter, meter squared. Likewise, you want to learn about the units of area. Here, they have created laminas, right? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Then this is a square, and the area can be calculated by 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, right? By using these squares, we can calculate the area of an object. Here, you have something bigger square. That means here this is unit of here is centimeters. Unit of this one is in meters. 1 meter into 1 meter. That also a unit area, right? Area equal 1 meter into 1 meter, 1 meter squared. These two laminas can be used to find the area of some surfaces. Next, you have a question. Considering the area of a small square to be 1 centimeter squared, find the areas of each of the figures. Yes, they say that the area of a small square is 1 centimeter squared. Can you remember the 1 centimeter squared lamina I told you first? Yes, that means 1 centimeter squared is forming. One side is 1 centimeter, the other side is 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter squared. Likewise, the area of one square is happening. Here, how many squares are having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. The figure in the shape of letter E, there are 13 squares in here. Then we can calculate the area. Total area equal 1 square area multiplied by number of squares. Then 1 square area is 1 centimeter squared into 13. Then the answer is 1 into 13, 13 centimeter squared. Total area is 13 centimeter squared. Here also you can calculate the number of squares, and you have a question because there are half of the squares, triangles also. You can combine two triangles and form one square. That means like this, one triangle plus the other triangle, you can get it has one square. Then how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And these two 13, these two 14. Then area equal 1 centimeter squared into 14, 14 centimeter squared. Likewise, we can calculate the area by considering the number of squares. You know, dear students, there are easy methods to calculate the area. or else by using a formula. සමීකරණයක් භාවිතයෙන් වර්ගඵලය හොයන එක ඉතාමත් පහසුයි. In here, formula for the area. Area of a rectangle, area of a square. Then we are learning definition for the area. Then here, a rectangle. What are the specialties on a rectangle? Yes, opposite sides are equal in magnitude. Here, you know that normally this horizontal side, we are naming it as the length. The vertical side is the breadth. Then there are two horizontal sides and two vertical sides, right? Two lengths and two breadths, right? Here, we can calculate the area by multiplying length into breadth. The equation is area equal length into breadth. Then we can get the area by using the product of length and breadth. දිගෙහි හා පරලෙහි ගුණිතයක් වශයෙන් වර්ගඵලයක් ගණනය කරන්න පුළුවන්. Then here length, we are taking length as simple L and breadth as simple B. Then length is L into B. This is the formula of area. Then when we move on to the square, what are the specialties on a square? Yes, all the sides are equal in magnitude. Here, all sides are equal. Then you can say that this length and breadth are also equal. දිගයි පරලයි සමානයි සමචතුරස්‍රයක් ගත්තට. Then here, area. Normal equation of area is length into breadth. Length is L, breadth is B. You can say that all the sides are equal, then length equal breadth. Instead of this L, we can put B. B වෙනුවට ආදේශ කරන්න පුළුවන් L. Then B into B squared, or else L squared, right? Both answers are correct. Length into length or breadth into breadth, right? By using this formula, we can calculate the area of a square. Then when we move on to the examples, find the area of this rectangle, right? 5 centimeters length, 3 centimeters breadth. Then area can be calculated by length into breadth. What is the length? 5 centimeters into breadth is 3 centimeters. Then 5 into 3, 15. What is the unit? Centimeters squared. Then the second part, find the area of this square because all the sides are equal. Then length and breadth are equal, right? Area equal length into breadth. Then length equal to 2 centimeters and breadth also 2 centimeters. 2 into 2, 4 centimeters squared. Likewise, we can calculate the area of rectangles and squares. When we move on to the word problems of this area lesson, there is a car park in Dahami's house. The length of the side of a square-shaped car park is 6 meters. When you read a word problem, you want to draw a figure and solve it. After drawing a figure, you can understand what are the things that are having inside the question. Then here, there is a car park. What are the keywords in this question? Car park in the Dahami's house. The length of a side, length they have given, and square shaped. Now, if it is a square shaped, you want to draw a, yes, car park is 6 meters. Yes, if it is a square, all the sides are equal. One side they are saying that it is 6 meters. This is a car park, right? Then find the area of the park. Yes, total area we want to calculate. You know the formula of area. Area equal length into breadth. Length and breadth both are equal on a square. Then 6 into 6, 36. What is the unit? Meter squared. Simply you can solve these questions. Then here somewhat bigger question. You want to read it carefully. After that it is very easy. The length of a side of a square-shaped plot of land which was owned by Yovidu is 15 meters. Yes, length of a side of a square. One side they have given, that means 15 meters. This is Yovidu's land. 15 meters is one length. If it is a square, all the sides are equal, then they say Yovidu's land is equal to the land area of Chenadi's land. Yovidu's land area is equal to the Chenadi's land area. That means two areas are equal, right? Chenadi's land is given below. You have given the Chenadi's land. Calculate the breadth of the Chenadi's land. Yes, I told you that length is bigger, breadth is parallel. They have given the length. You want to calculate the breadth, B, right? This is L, right? You already know that these two areas are equal. Then shall we calculate the area of Yovidu's land? That means 15 into 15. Can you remember 15 into 15? Perfect square song? 11 into 11, 12 into 12, 13 into 13, 14 into 14, 15 into 15, 225. Those are the applications of those songs, right? Then here 225 meters squared. This area is here Chenadi's area, right? You know, in the question they say that area of Yovidu's land is equal to area of Chenadi's land. Then we have calculated the area of Yovidu's land as 225 meters squared. And area of Chenadi's land, length into breadth, what? 25 into, shall we take this as B? Yes, 25 into B, right? Here when we write this equation, 225 equal 25 into B. You want to find B. Here the bondage is a multiplication. We can divide both sides by 25. And the answer is 25 into 1, 25 into 1. B equal 9 meters. Easily you can get the answer 9 meters. Here we want to find the breadth of Chenadi's land. Already they have given the length and we want to find breadth. Here one length they have given in Yovidu's land. The difference between two lands is this is a square shape, this is in rectangular shape, right? Then here all the sides are equal, so we can calculate the area. Here all the sides are not equal. Length into breadth, length is 25 into B. We calculated and got the answer. When we move on to the fifth question, find the area of shaded part. What is mean by shaded? Anduru color. Unshaded mean anduru no color. Here they are asking shaded part. If you have given unshaded part no color kotasa, then here shaded anduru color kotas thamai vargapalaya hoyanna oni. Then here you have a big rectangle and inside there a square and a small rectangle. Then when we consider about the shaded area, we can calculate the area of shaded by subtracting these two areas by the bigger area. Yes, shall we find the area of, if we put this as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, right? Area of A, B, C, D. How can we calculate the area? Length into breadth. Length is 60 centimeters. Breadth is 30 centimeters. Yes. 60 into 30, 1800 centimeters square. Then the area of these two, area of E, F, G, H. How can we calculate? Yes, 10 into 10, they are 100 centimeters square. Then I, J, K, L. Area of I, J, K, L, That means 20 into 10, 200 centimeters squared, right? Then we want to get this total. මේ දෙකේ එකතු අරගෙන මේ ලොකු වර්ගඵලයෙන් අඩු කරාට පස්සේ උත්තරේ එනවා. Then here area of shaded equal that area of ABCD as 1, this as 2, this is 3, right? 1 minus 2 plus 3, right? 1 mean 1800 bracket 100 plus 200, you will get 1800 minus 100 plus 200, 300. That means 1500 is the answer. What is the unit? Centimeter squared. At home you can get the last answer. When we move on to the last section of this video, area of composite plane figures. සංයුක්ත තල රූපවල වර්ගඵලය සෙවීම. Then what do you mean by this composite? Composite mean combined or else joint plane figures. That means two or more plane figures are joined together and form one plane figure. That means we want to find the area of those combined plane figures. Here you have given a figure, and when we consider about the shape, it is in the shape of eye. Then we have to separate it into several parts. That means total area we can't get at once, right? Then shall we divide this one into here one rectangle, here another rectangle, here another rectangle, first rectangle, second rectangle and third rectangle. By getting the total area of these three combined figures, we can get the answer. Then here area of first figure 6 into 2, 12 centimeters squared. Then area of second figure 10 into, what is the breadth? 10 into 2. That means 20 centimeters squared. Area of third figure, how can we get? 6 into 2. They are also 12 centimeters squared. Then total area, that means 1 plus 2 plus 3. Directly we can say 12 plus 20 plus 12. The answer is 44 centimeters squared. Likewise, we can calculate the area of combined plane figures. සංයුක්ත තල රූපවල වර්ගඵලය සෙවීමේදී මෙම සංයුක්ත තල රූපය එකිනෙකට බෙදා වෙන් කරගන්න ඕනේ. After that, we can calculate the area of these combined plane figures. I think you got a clear understanding about this area lesson, and in near future from this channel there will be more lessons related to your grades, lessons related to grade 6 to 11. So we'll meet from another video. Thank you very much.